Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and this is the Google Home Hub. This is sort of a visual representation of the Google Home speakers we've had for the past couple of years. It comes in at $149, but you'll probably be able to find it on sale at many places this holiday, and also comes with 6 months of YouTube Premium. On the side of the box, you can see it goes over a little bit of what it can do, and then on the back of the box, again, you've got more information. Now on the other side, we have some more information regarding the specs or the size of the display and what's included. So let's take a look ourselves inside the box. So let's open this up, take the wrapper off here. Open the box. And it is pretty small. It looks like a little Nexus tablet on the front. Let's take a little closer look at what's in the box. So we have our wall plug. This looks really familiar, kind of like a Nest or other Google accessories you might have. We have Let's Get Started. A little safety and warranty information, along with a little Let's Get Started guide saying plug it in, get the app, and let's set it up. And nothing else is in the box. Now on the back, you can see there's a volume rocker on the left, there's a mute switch on the top, and your plug on the bottom. This also comes in 4 different colors. This is chalk, but it comes in charcoal, aqua, and sand as well. On the bottom, there's an orange rubberized foot to keep it in place. On the front, we have our 7-inch touchscreen display, along with a light sensor in the middle and 2 far-field microphones on either side to pick up our voice. Now, before I plug it in, you may have noticed that this is a proprietary connector, unfortunately, so it's no USB-C or anything, but most of the time this is going to be stationary, so you shouldn't have to unplug it and plug it in regularly. So plug it in.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
So here's the Home app on my iPhone. Let's go ahead and hit Add. Then we'll set up a device, set up a new device, and hit Next. And it will look for devices that are trying to be added around my house. So we'll wait for this to finish here. It sees the Google Home Hub, and we'll hit Next. So this should connect to my Google Home Hub and then set it up on my account. We'll tap Finish Setup. This is the default display of the Google Home Hub. It's a digital photo frame when you're not using it. You can change this to art based off what Google finds or use your own photos within Google Photos. If you want to see the next one, just swipe. If we swipe from this outside edge in, we've got a clock. If we tap on the display, it brings us back. Tap again and it brings us to our home screen, showing us the weather and what we've done more recently. Now you see you can not only play Google Play Music, you can use it for YouTube. We'll check that out in a moment. And you can also find recipes or anything that Google Home or Google Assistant will allow you to find. So let's try and find a recipe for pizza. Hey Google, find good recipes for pizza.
Okay, here are some recipes.
So you'll see it gives us a bunch of different ones. Let's tap on this one. And it says quick and easy, gives information about it, the ingredients we need. We can tap on Start Cooking.
Before we start, preheat oven to...
And it gives us more information and step-by-step as we're going along. So it's pretty nice that way. We can go back by swiping. And it's pretty simple. Now, one of the reasons I bought this is if we pull down from the top, we can control our lights. So if we tap on the lights here, we've got our office lights. And you can see the brightness, but I can also turn them off. Just like that. We'll turn them back on and everything comes back up. We can change the color or change the light panels, everything like that. It's really nice and a simple way to control your home. Now, if we want to find YouTube videos, we can do that as well. Hey Google, find the video by Zollotech called iPhone XS and iPhone XS Max, the good and the bad.
Here are some videos.
So this is my video. You see it brought that up. If we tap on it, we can play the video. And I've come up with some, and we can go back to the beginning Gives all that information, and why don't you take a listen to the speakers and see what you think. Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and I've been using the iPhone XS and XS Max since they came out, and I've been using them all day long, every single day. And I've come up with some good things and some bad things. So of course you can use YouTube on here. You have YouTube Premium for 6 months, like I mentioned before, and it's just a simple way to visualize what you could do with Google Assistant on your phone, but on a larger display or on your Google Home. So that's really it. It's basically just that, and a nice photo frame when it's not doing anything, and a good way to control everything. And that's it. Let me know what you think about it, though, in the comments below. If you're planning to pick one up, or if it's something you already have, I'd love to hear what you have to say about it. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.